Hello everyone, welcome again to your channel Maths Guide. In my previous lecture, which was about percentage, we talked about what is percentage, how we can express a fraction as a percentage as a fraction, and how can we express one quantity as percentage of another. Now, in this lecture, we will also learn how to calculate percentage and solve the remaining portions or questions of the exercise 4.3. And we will learn the increasing or decreasing of a quantity by a given percentage. So let's get started. Now the first topic is how can we compare the quantities through their percentages. For example, Ali got 80 out of 100 in the test and Sana got 60 out of 100 in a test. So their percentages are 80% and 60%. So the result percentage shows that Ali has scored more marks in test as compared to Sana. Now the topic is percentage increase and decrease. For example, for increase, add the percentage into 100%. As you all know, the complete mean 100%. If we have to increase some values by a given percentage, we have to add it into 100. For example, increase any number by 7%. So we will use 107%. And if we have to decrease any value by 7%, we will subtract 7 from 100 and we will take that 93%. For example, increase 12 by 20%. So instead of taking 20%, we will use 120% and solve this question. And to increase 12 by 20%, so instead of taking 20%, we will use 100 minus 20, that's 80%, and solve this question. For more understanding, we have to solve some question. This is exercise 4.3, question number 13 of your textbook. In the month of Ramadan, Salim donated rupees 4500 as charity from the total salary of 45,000 and Alim donated rupees 6,000 from his salary of rupees 55,000. Who has donated the higher percentage of monthly salary? As it is clear from the question, we have to calculate the percentage of both Salim and Alim's charity. So, by using the formula, that percentage of donated amount is equal to donated amount divided by total salary into 100%. The donated amount of Salim is 4500 out of 45,000 and will be multiplied by 100%. Cutting the zeros or cutting the numerator and denominator, we get 10%. It means Salim has donated 10% of his salary as charity. Now come to Alim's. The percentage of donated amount is the donated amount divided by total salary into 100%. The donated amount is 6,000, which is divided by the total salary of Alim, that is 55,000, and multiplied by 100% to calculate the percentage. Cutting the zeros. Now solving this question, we get 10.9%. As the percentage shows that Alim has donated higher amount as compared to Salim. So we can say Alim donated higher percentage of salary. This is exercise 4.3, question number 14. Increase 17 by 85%. What is the result? As I told you earlier in this lecture, that whenever we have to increase the value in 100% and we can see the change. For example, we have to increase 17 by 85%. Instead of taking 85%, we will take 185% to get to the result in shorter way. So we will multiply 17 by 185% and multiplying 185 by 17, we get 3145 and we divide it by 100, we get 31.45. It means by increasing 17 by 85%, it becomes 31.45. You have another way to solve it. You can calculate the 85% of 17, then add it to 17. The result will be same. But it is a bit longer procedure. So instead of taking 85%, we will take 185% directly to get to the answer. This is exercise 4.3, question number 15. Now we have to decrease 30 by 70%. What is the result? The word decrease means now we will take 100 minus 70, that is 30%. So we will decrease 30 by 30% instead of 70%. And the answer is 9. It means when we decrease 30 by 70%, it becomes 9. This is exercise 4.3, question number 16. In the month of September, Salma got 15% increase in her monthly salary. If Salma's salary is rupees 45,000, then what is her new salary? So they are asking about the increased salary of Salma as her previous salary was 45,000. So we will not take that 15%. We will take 115% to increase the salary. So after taking 115%, first step is to remove the percentage symbol. We get 115 over 100 and we will multiply it by 45,000. And cutting the zeros, we get 115 into 450. Now the answer is 51,750. Now her salary is increased from 45,000 to 51,750. Got it? This exercise 4.3 question number 17. It is a conceptual question, but listen very carefully. After 12% of the bill has been deducted, rupees 6,536 remains to be paid. How much was the original bill? Here the original bill means total bill and total mean 100%. And 12% of the bill has already been paid. So the remaining percentage is 88%, which is equal to 6,536. We will use this information to calculate the original bill. 88% of the bill is 6,536. Now, removing the percentage symbol and putting the 100 in the denominator. Now we will take this fraction to the other side of the equality sign and we will reverse it. I told you in my previous lecture of percentage that when we will take any fraction to other side of the equality sign, it becomes reversed. It means the numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator, as you can see over here. 88 over 100 becomes 100 over 88. Now let's solve it. 6,536 into 100 is 653,600 and we will divide it by 88. We will do the working. The answer will be 7,427.27. Now it means total bill was 7,427.27, from which 12% have been paid and 6,536 remains to be paid. For such kind of calculation, you must have a solid command on division. This is question number 18. The cost of the bicycle is raised from 8,500 to rupees 10,000. The original price is 8,500 and the new price of the bicycle is 10,000. What is the percentage increase in the price of the bicycle? We have to calculate the percentage. The formula for calculating the percentage is new price divided by original price into 100%. The new price is 10,000 divided by the original price, that is 8,500, into 100%. Cutting the zeros, we get 10,000 divided by 85. When we divide 10,000 by 85, we get 117.65%. Now, we have to find out how much increase in the percentage is. Original is 100%. We will subtract it by 117.65%. So there is 17.65% increase. This was the end of my lecture regarding exercise 4.3, and the next lecture will be about exercise 4.4 and the topic is time. Don't forget to like my video and also share it with your friends and families and also subscribe it.